welcome back. So today I take you outside. We have a 2025 911 Porsche Carrera Twin Turbo, brand new, beautiful color, many areas with the PPF. So we're going to do a light polish. We're going to pull the wheels out, ceramic the bottles, the wheels, the calipers, interior, and everything in between. So outside. Okay, she's inside here. So I'm gonna get ready to measure the paint. The front end, the entire front end has PPF. So what we want to do is we want to spot check the paint, and let's see here, 6.4, 7.6. So very healthy, nothing to worry about it. Beautiful color. I have to find out the color. And let me show you a few things that you have to keep in mind. The right tools. So this is a lifting puck. This will go underneath the car so the jack make contact here and you don't damage anything underneath there. Second thing is we're gonna pull the wheels out, so we prepare this socket and we put electrical tape, which is rubber, to avoid any contact with the lug nuts or the wheels where it's gonna make any damage, so it won't scratch them. And we want to keep this in good shape for the customer, and we don't want to compromise anything. So we're gonna get the jack and we're gonna start with this guy. I preliminary washed them yesterday. It was night and I can see that I did a very bad job, so I will touch them up with the waterless, and then we're gonna polish the caliper and put the boosted. So we're gonna start with the wheels and then we move on. So to this wheel we go. Okay, got the wheel out. So the caliper, we go with the wheel cleaner deluxe and a little brush, and then with the pre-pull, and down we go. Very simple, no water. Okay, and all clean, beautiful. Got the pre-pull, and now we go with the boosted applicator. Very simple task. I got the first wheel out. I can clearly see some stuff in there, so a remover should take care of that. And then we put the pre-pull and the coating. See, and a lot of people tell you on the back side, I never remove them, the coating. It makes a bigger, thicker layer and no harm is done. A lot of people remove that. If you know how to apply, you're not going to have any high spots. You can clearly see here, all flat. That's a tip for you. Okay, so all the plastic trim coated. It has the front end has a PPF, polished and coated. The wheels, gas tank and whatnot. Interior coated, dash coated, everything. I'm gonna take it outside now. Back here also coated, door jambs, plastic trim. So we go outside and see what we got. Hopefully we didn't miss a spot, but there she have it. There she is. It's gonna look stunning. I have about 10.5 hours on those wheels, so it's looking good. And the 2025 911 Carrera Twin Turbo, all done. Front end with the PPF, I polish. Wheels and tires, wheel cleaner deluxe and the T2, and the coating. I have about 10.5 hours just on the wheels, but she came out phenomenal. Glass polish, everything polished, everything ceramic, all the trim. The interior came out phenomenal. I coated that as well. Everything coated all the way to the keychain. The glass on the top, so she looked stunning. Don't forget to check us online, turbowax.com. Until next time.